Good morning, friends. Today is May 5th, 2021. Please write the date and number corner at the top of your paper. Press pause if you need more time to do that. Next to number 1, you are going to copy the calendar card. Let me show you that. Friends, so what you're going to do is you're going to write 53, arrow to the right, arrow to the right, arrow to the right. And then you're going to write the new number that Tad will be on. So if Tad starts on 53 and he makes 3 hops to the right on the 100 chart, what number will he be at? So draw this and then write the new number after the arrows. Press pause if you need more time for number 1. All right, friends, we are moving on to number 2. Next to number 2, you are going to draw a coin collection. Today you are going to draw 74 cents and then write an equation that matches your collection. So your equation would be a number that equals all your quarters, plus a number that equals all your dimes, plus a number that equals all your nickels, plus a number that equals all your pennies, and that should equal 74 cents. Press pause if you need more time for number 2. Next to number 3, we've now been in school for 137 days. So you are going to represent the number 137. You will represent 137 with an addition equation, subtraction equation, coins, and your 100 block, 10 sticks, and 1 blocks. Next to number 4, you are putting these numbers in order from least to greatest. 92, 96, 94, 93, 95. Press pause if you need more time for number 4. Next to number 5, listen carefully, there's a lot of directions. Draw a graph for the following information. We polled a group of kids about their favorite season. 3 friends chose spring. 5 friends chose summer. 4 friends chose fall. 1 friend chose winter. Again, first you need to make the graph with that information. We polled a group of kids about their favorite season. 3 friends chose spring, 5 friends chose summer, 4 friends chose fall, and 1 friend chose winter. Check your graph. Do you have labels? And do you have a title? Now circle the season that had the most votes. Circle the season that had the most votes. And your last job, how many more friends chose spring than winter? How many more friends chose spring than winter? All right, friends, please replay any part that you missed, but I hope you have a fabulous Wednesday. We will see you tomorrow.